I want to talk about in this episode how to improve your concentration levels in practice. So, as you can see, I have an easy position. So why it's important to have easy position before every practice session? Because the more easy you're gonna make for yourself in the beginning, the better confidence you're gonna gain. And it will help your mind to relax and prepare for the real practice session. Because lots of people, when they are coming to the practice session, they feel not focused. They think about their work, about family, friends, and when you're not at the moment, you will have a worse performance. So for example, if somebody comes from their work, stressful work, and they think about how the boss behaved with him, and then he thinks negative about other stuff, so it's very difficult to focus. So just keep it nice and easy, in easy position. So like I have a red, I'm putting stun shot, and just potting balls without any order, just place it. You don't have to play like by the rules, but just keep it simple, you know. If you're not out the position, just move on, something else, and try it. Rolling shots. And the more you're confident you get, you can improve your levels, you know, like play more powerful shots. And that's simple as that, you know. So this practice routine will improve your concentration levels and prepare for the real practice.
If you want to improve your aiming, cue action, cue ball control mental game, I can help you to take your snooker game to the next level. Snooker coaching benefits live online coaching. Improve your snooker knowledge. Discover a technique which suits you the best. Have a decent strategic, tactical game. Detailed practice plans, analysis. Mental toughness and calmness under pressure. Just text me your name, country, and what do you want to improve to my WhatsApp number to Vilius Šultė, EBC Professional Snooker Coach. Don't wait and book an online or live snooker coaching session now. See you, folks!